Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT Preparation Merit or Excellence questions. This is question 38 in this series. Today we're going to be looking at a rearrangement question as requested by one of my viewers. So, now, the standard rearrangement question, I can just basically write the question and ask you guys to rearrange y in terms of x, but knowing this year's exam, we don't know what we're going to face. So we might actually look at a question something like this. So as usual guys, just pause the video, try and do the question by yourself, see how far you can go, and then unpause the video to see how I do this particular question. Okay, so I'm assuming you've had a chance to actually have a look at this. So basically what it's saying is that Mark would like to find x given y. He wants to rearrange the equation below to make it easier for him. Use algebra to find x in terms of y. So all you got to do is you got to write x by itself with y on the other side. So you've got to rearrange so x is by itself. Okay, so let's actually start this question then. We've got 5 multiplied by x minus 3 equals y times 4 minus 3x. So the first step we need to do is we need to expand the brackets. So we got 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 equals y times 4 is 4y, and then y times negative 3x would be negative 3xy. Now remember, we want to make x the subject, x in terms of y, so we want to actually have x by itself. So I'm going to bring 3xy to the left hand side, and when I bring negative 3xy to the left hand side, it becomes plus 3xy. And I've got minus 15 equals 4y. So my next step would be is to get rid of the 15. And when I move the 15 to the right hand side, because it's negative 15 on the left hand side, on the right hand side it would become plus 15. So simplifying this, what I have is 5x plus 3xy equals 4y plus 15. Now guys, I did a similar question like this with a few kids from my class, and they got up to this point, but then they were stuck. They didn't actually know how to combine, how to separate the x here. All right, it's normal for, you guys can't see everything, but occasionally, I got one kid that came and said, oh, x is actually the common factor, and that was the key. Because if you look at this, x is a common factor in both of these terms. So what I could do is I can actually take x as a common factor outside and have something inside the bracket. So x times 5 would be 5x, and then x times 3y would be 3xy. And now, because x is being multiplied with whatever is in this bracket, I can actually take this whatever's inside the bracket and bring it to the other side. But because it's being multiplied, when I bring it to this side, it would actually become divide. And so it would get divided by 5 plus 3y. So what I've done is my final answer then would be x equals to 4y plus 15 divided by 5 plus 3y. Now, really important that you actually stop here, because I'm going to show you guys something else that happens here on this extra space here. Sometimes people see this. They see 4y plus 15 divided by 5 plus 3y, and the first thing that they do is automatically they cancel the two y's. They do this and that, and somehow their answer ends up being 7 over 3. If you do this, you are completely wrong. Okay? So just be careful with your cancellations, guys. But in this particular question, that's what we have. X is actually in terms of y, and we're done. So as usual, any questions, pop it in the comments below. I think I'm done with making questions for the day. So tune in tomorrow I'll try and do 3 questions tomorrow, because I know we've only got about a couple of days for the MCAT. I'm going to focus tomorrow on simultaneous equations, guys. But yeah, that's basically it for this session. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.